In this video, I'll show you how to extract audio from video files using VLC Media Player completely step by step. This is a super useful trick if you want to save a song, podcast, lecture, voice recording, or any other audio from a video file without needing complicated software. VLC is free, easy to use, and works on most computers, which makes it one of the best tools for this job. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the official VLC website before continuing. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu and click Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert or Save. This opens the conversion window where you can turn your video into an audio file. Next, click the Add button and choose the video file you want to extract audio from. You can select one file or multiple files depending on what you want to convert, but for this tutorial, just pick the video that contains the audio you want to save. After selecting the file, click Convert or Save at the bottom of the window. Now you'll see the conversion settings. This is where VLC lets you choose the output format. Under Profile, select an audio format such as audio, MP3, audio, FLAC, or audio CD. MP3 is usually the most common choice if you want a small file that works on almost any device. FLAC is a great option if you want higher quality audio, and CD format can be useful for specific playback needs. Once you've chosen the format, click Browse to select where you want the extracted audio file to be saved. Choose a folder that's easy to find later, like your desktop, downloads, or a dedicated audio folder. Then enter a file name and make sure you include the correct extension, such as .mp3 if you selected MP3. This is important because VLC uses the file extension to help save the audio in the proper format. After that, click Save to confirm the destination and the file name. Now everything is ready, so click Start to begin the conversion. VLC will now process the video and extract the audio into the format you selected. Depending on the length of the video and the speed of your computer, this may take a few moments. Just wait for VLC to finish converting the video to an audio file. Once it's done, you won't always see a big confirmation message, so the easiest way to check is to open the destination folder you selected earlier. There you should find your newly extracted audio file ready to play, move, or upload. And that's it. You've now learned how to extract audio from video files with VLC Media Player in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.